work. Hello. Yes, today I'm going to be making some rings. Okay. Wrong finger. Piece is way too thick for a ring, unless you got some big old sausage fingers. I know what I'm saying. That should be thin enough. Can always file it some more if it is a little bit too thick. And cut. I've learned how to be stupid. Know what I'm saying? A little nick with the saw ain't that bad. Okay, so we've cut quite a bit of it. I've got a couple of nice little grippy doohs. We'll just do it. No, we'll do it there. So that's not gonna work. Got a couple nice little grippy doohs. Now, I probably should have done this step before I cut it, because I could have crushed and broke. And it might break right now. Yep, so we'll do that again. Grab our pencil. And so you got the ring there. Mistakes happen. On in there. Get on in. That is sturdy a heck. Ouch. Now we'll do it this way. Go at it from here. Pachanga. And then cut. Okie dokie, artichoke. So, that's what we're working with right now. Now, this next step, you can use a file. I'm sure if you're watching this, you know what a file is. Daddy got himself a Dremel. Got him one of these guys. Leave a comment down below. Your ma's a lovely lady. Know what I'm saying? Tricked you there. Okie doke. Alright. Here we go. Hey, if it works, it works. I'm using this to round off the corners. Hello, this is Editor Hudson here. Right now, well, in the video, I'm just using the different bits that the Dremel comes with to see if any of them work well with the rounding process of the ring. But as you see here, I just end up just using the sander. Find that helped out best. So yeah, use that until the end. Yeah, so I will speak to you soon in the video. Okay. Okay then, it's coming along pretty nicely. Pretty flippin' nicely. I kind of like the black marks I'm getting right now, but those will most likely come off. Okay, now I'm just doing some little touchy ups. Okay, what's that feeling like? Ooh yeah, I might wear this ring myself. Okay, we're just about done. Okay, yeah, I'm going to add a bit of stain and stuff to it, but that, my friend, is a nice little wooden ring. Yeah, no, not too bad. Yeah, I might be able to round it a bit more. Take the sandpaper, lay it down, then drag it on there. I'm letting the ring like roll as I'm doing it, so I'm not just sanding one spot like this. Perfect. Good. Perfect for wearing after using the Dremel. Now my fronts, I will add some stain. I'm gonna do this one ebony. 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 The thicker the meat. Shout out to my mother-in-law. She says, thicker the meat. I forget the other part, the second bit, but it's probably not important after you've heard the first part. Mixy, mixy. Trixie, trixie. And add the stain. But this ebony is looking bluish. Why that is? Okie dokie. Okay then, that is actually really freaking pretty. Always get confused by that part. But that I'm liking. Alright, now it's all polished up. Some beeswax polish, and that is looking fantastic. If y'all could shoot me a like or something. Yeah, I'm a new channel. Gotta start somewhere. Yeah, got lots more. Peace. Catch you later.